So I'm going to paint with this flat brush. Got some good paint right in here. Might as well use that. A little bit of purple and some red.
I like this color.
Whatever this is. That's a lot of water. That's what that is. And some green over here. I already had some brown in there, so it didn't show much green. There's some green. This is that other purple. A good yellow up here. And this dark blue. I swore I dipped in the blue. Keeps holding on to that other color that I used last. Red. This is that cadmium red light.
Yeah, like that.
Look at that. Looks like a sled. And oh.
This is gallery view.
What did you just say?
This is gallery view.
Yeah. So here we are.
Oh, a fast painting.
It's really wet. And gonna see if I can get some darker figures in there. Too light. I'll see what they do. A little bit. Put some paint up in that really wet spot. Soaking it right up. A little bluebird,
Yeah.
a robin. Okay, that's where I'm going to stop.
I really like it.
Yeah.
I had my eye on that bluebird the whole
Is it-
time and kept changing it. I thought it was gone and it came back again.
Oh, good. So do you still see the bluebird?
Yeah,
Oh, that's good.
or whatever kind of bird it is.
Yeah, robin.
Cardinal for a minute.
Yeah.
It's got that tuft like a bluebird. Or no,
Uh-huh.
a female cardinal.
Uh-huh. I'll leave that alone. All right, Catherine.
Okay.